So today I'm making a crab and shrimp pasta, and I added some olive oil. I added what us Puerto Ricans call sofrito, and sofrito is really good. I like it for a lot of things because all it is green peppers, onions, garlic, you know, just things that you chop up in a blender, and it gives everything such a good flavor. So I'm just cooking it up a little bit in the pan just to get that going. A little bit of olive oil. I'm going to add some Goya sauce. Just a can is good. And I'm going to add my pasta sauce, but I like to add always a can of the Goya sauce. I call this my Rican seafood pasta. It's really good. You want to add a little bit of olive oil to your water that's cooking for your pasta. You see how nice that's coming out with this nice color, nice texture. Now I'm gonna add my shrimp. Add your lump crab meat. I don't like the imitation crab meat. I like the real deal. Now we're just cooking up the meat with all the juices in there before we add our pasta sauce. And just cook it up real nicely. This is what I call Rican seafood pasta. So everything's cooking nicely. Shrimp are done. I'm going to add in my pasta sauce. And with a lot of people that cook pasta, not everybody, but some people don't know that you should add some sugar to your pasta, and what that does, it takes that sour, bitter taste out of the sauce, and it gives it a nice, delicious flavor. And we will be back once we put the pasta in the pan, in the pot here. We'll put in our let that cook. And also I like to add cheese. It has cheese, but I like to add extra cheese. You could add cheese if you want. You don't have to. Just makes it taste better. I also add a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top as well. So we have everything cooking. I add my pasta sauce in there. I add cheese. I add some Parmesan cheese and some mozzarella cheese if you like, or provolone, whatever cheese you want to add. I like extra cheese. That looks really good. I add my pasta, my spaghetti number 8 into the pot. We will be back with the final the finale of the cooking. But always remember to add a little bit of sugar in your sauce because that takes the bitterness out of the red pasta sauce. So I prepared a cheesy garlic bread. I added parsley, oregano, garlic, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, and butter. And I'm gonna bake that at 350 degrees. And I just normally check it. I like to get a golden brown. And when that's done and the pasta's done, I will show you the ending. So this is the finale. This is how our seafood, crab, and shrimp pasta looks like. Our garlic cheese bread. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the plate. So this is what it looks like. Look how delicious that looks on the plate. It looks scrumptious. And just throw it with a little white wine. Actually, you could use a little red wine. I prefer the white wine. And you can hear my baby granddaughter in the back. She'll enjoy this one day. So just share, like, comment, and subscribe. Take care. Bye.